guys, what's happening and welcome back to our channel. The United States is a land of road trips with seemingly endless routes, rides, and detours to choose from. Some highways stand out among them. There are countless scenic drives across the country, ranging from the dramatic California coastline and some stellar standouts. So here are the 7 best scenic road trips to take in 2021 USA. Number 7. Lakeshore Drive, Chicago.
For this video, I take Lakeshore Drive south through the north side and downtown.
Lakeshore Drive, which is from South River to the 57th Street, was previously named Leif Erikson Road since 1927, which, as you can tell, was named after the infamous explorer himself, Leif Erikson. Then, in 1946, the entire road was renamed Lakeshore Drive. In the north, via Jackson Park on Lake Michigan, the rock stars of American architecture reach the south. Number 6. 17 Mile Drive, California. The splendid Hotel Del Monte left Monterey and continued along the picturesque peninsula around the Pacific Grove, Pebble Beach, and Carmel Coast until its departure. It took the journey 17 kilometers, and finally, it became known worldwide. That's one road trip you definitely want to experience. The 17-mile drive stretches across California's Monterey Peninsula in under 10 miles. On Highway 1, from the Pacific Grove cities to Carmel, the road leads through the Del Monte forest of the exclusive Pebble Beach golf community. Thanks to the surfing cliffs and harbor colonies, the spectacular sunset over the Pacifica is worth $10.25 for private road use. Number 5. Florida Keys.
The Florida Keys, a tropical paradise.
The Florida Keys are a string of tropical islands between the Atlantic and the Mexican Gulf, about 120 miles to the south of the United States. It's a destination where people enjoy fishing, boating, snorkeling, and diving. Like pearls, the overseas road leads through light bulbs, submerged coral reef parks, and the 7-mile bridge, which is one of the longest bridges in Europe from Key Largo to Key West. Number 4. Blue Bonnet Trail, Texas. The Blue Bonnet Trail is designed as a driving tour through the communities of the river. It's one of the most beautiful landscapes in the Lone Star State, especially when wild blue bonnets are in operation. The Colorado River, including Lake Buchanan, is a chain of 7 interconnected lakes that are popular with fishermen and artists alike. Number 3. North Shore Drive, Minnesota. The shore of the Superior Lake in Minnesota is something spectacular. The bright waters of the lake stretch to the right, and the birch climbs to the left from Duluth towards 2 harbors. Before sending iron or grain to the world from the center of America, you'll also be able to see ocean tankers anchored in the latest St. Lawrence Seaway port. The scenery is breathtaking. Number 2. Trail Ridge Road, Colorado. On the Trail Ridge Road, winds are 12,183 feet high through the Rocky Mountain National Park. In this dramatic tundra, visitors can see elks, horses, and bighorn sheep over the tree line, following a journey through the divide of the continent for over a century. This journey is about 50 miles from the spectacular Rocky Mountain scenery, with a full-day tour of scenic and meal stops anywhere from 2 hours of non-stop driving. The Fall River Pass and the Alpine Visitor Center are situated just west of the high point. Number 1. Kankamangas Highway of New Hampshire. While the White Montess makes a sports paradise throughout the year, the autumn feast of the Kankamangas Highway in New Hampshire is the undeniable highlight. In all glory of technology, serious leaf peepers visit in October the maples, alder, and birch. Wait in the spring for yellow, purple anemones and wood. The highway goes into the White Mountain National Forest and follows the eastern branch of the Pemigewasset River for approximately 4 miles, followed by the Hancock branch. So let us know which of these road trips you're looking forward to the most once the COVID situation calms down. And while you're at it, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press that bell icon if you want to enjoy more content like this in the future. And with that, I'll catch you guys later in another video. Bye now!